Escape to Majorca presents the Villa Sunset in St Elm in the southwest of Mallorca. Set in the picturesque town of St Elm, this unique property is one of a kind and luxury living at its best. Located right on the coastline in one of the most southwesterly points in Majorca. With 180-degree sea views, this light-filled property offers the ultimate in modern living, combined with elegant Mediterranean design with sweeping views across to Dragonera Island. Constructed across 3 levels with 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and a roof terrace which boasts the most enviable views to enjoy the sunset. Entering the villa, the first bedroom leads directly onto the terrace, which gives a taster of the views you can enjoy from the upper floors. It also comes complete with an office space, a dressing area and an ensuite bathroom. The ground floor includes 2 additional bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. As well as a laundry room, a storage space and a garage. The stairs lead to the first floor with a fully equipped designer kitchen and spacious open-plan living and dining area, and out to a large covered terrace. With all the amenities of St Elm on your doorstep. The living and dining area are both spacious and comfortable. There is also a bedroom with an ensuite and guest bathroom. Follow the stairs to the roof terrace and garden. Featuring a plunge pool, there is ample space for sun loungers, as well as an outdoor kitchen with dining area and a further living area. You can experience the very best of St Elm from this enviable location. To organise a viewing, contact the team at Escape to Majorca on +34 695 420 903.